Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be building our first desktop PC. So we have this SSD here. We have RAM. We have the RAM. We have the we have the AMD GPU. We have a AMD CPU. We have a Corsair power supply, and the Pyrrhus Assassin CPU core. And then we have Corsair's thermal paste, and the motherboard here made by MSI. MSI. And then we have the case over here. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but here's the case. It has the panel. We took off the panels to look at it, and then that's all the parts we have. Then we have like a mat, like anti-static mat, and some other grounding stuff. Alright, here, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the motherboard. Alright, this is the central processing unit. It's like the brain of the computer, so this is gonna be what runs, it's gonna be what runs, the editing for the video and everything. And so we put it in there, and I guess we're about to go do that. Alright guys, so we lifted up that flap. Don't worry, it'll come off later. And then, so there are the little holes that the pins go into. And then, so with those pins, at the back of the, or on the back of here, you can kind of see there's little pins. So we're gonna put them in there. We're gonna close that latch. This will come off. This little metal grate will stay on. And I'll update you guys once we do that. All right, so we just got the CPU in place right there. This part that was on top came out. Which is supposed to, and then this little grate that covers it went in, and so everything's good, and we're ready for the next step. All right, so our next step is to apply thermal paste, but that's just a little thing. So then, the next actual part we're putting in is this. It's the Pyrrhus Assassin 120 SE. This is the CPU core, so it has stuff to and there's two fans that go onto it, there's two fans right here. And there's and we put this on the thermal paste, and then there's a few latches on the motherboard that we just click it into, and then we put the fans on. So I'll let you know when you put on the thermal paste. Alright guys, so we're taking off the plastic brackets because we have some other brackets that came with the cooler, so we're just gonna take this screw off, and then now that the screw's off, we can take the bracket off, and then we're gonna do that to the next one, and then we'll show you the next step. Alright, so next step is to put in the metal brackets with this thing to make sure that's raised so it'll go properly. So I'm just screwing these in. Alright, so the next step is to apply the thermal paste. So the best technique is just doing a little pea-sized dot. So like that, and everything, and that's how you apply the thermal paste. Alright, so the next step is putting on the heatsink. This is the heatsink, and there's little screw holes at the bottom, and this little area right there to put on the CPU. So let's do that. Alright, so we got the heat shield in, but we're gonna put in the RAM first just to make sure that the fans don't block the RAM. So we're gonna put in the RAM, and we'll let you know once we've done that. Alright, so we're putting in the RAM. So these are the little slots, so you just push back on this, that, and then like that, and then like that. So then, alright, so we're gonna put in the pieces. So then it goes in. There's a little centerpiece and a little notch. So make sure it goes in right there. So it's all in there. Alright, now the RAM sticks are in, just like that. Alright, so we were putting in our fans. There's this little spot, so we're just trying to like get this in place. Alright, so we figured out the CPU cooler, so we have everything plugged in for that, and then now we have the SSD, which is like the system that stores out that can like run that'll hold the games in like folders and stuff. So we're gonna put this in. It goes in right there, and it just pops in, and we'll let you know when we're done with that. Okay, so we put in the SSD. So what you have to do is you just put stuff into place, and then you like push it down till you hear like a click, and then there's this little thing you like push down to get it on the side tight, and then underneath this is the heat sink, so you have to unscrew that, and then there's like a little like pad that you have to like take off the sticker for, and then you put it on so it helps cool down the thing, and then you screw it back on, and that's how you put on the SSD. Alright, so we have everything for the motherboard, so now we're gonna put it into the case, and it would fit in right here. There's like some little notches for screws and the little holes in the motherboard that we put them in, and we'll let you know when we're done with that. Alright, so we just got the motherboard in. So we have this, shining some light on so you can see it. And then there's like a heat shield in the back. There's like a shield in the back, so some like the USBs and HDMIs don't get, or the headset jacks don't get damaged. And then next step would be to attach the GPU. So I'll let you know when we do that. Alright, so we just plugged in the loose cables, and the next step is putting in this GPU, which is the GPU is just like what like runs in games. So then in like 3D modeling and stuff. So we'll update you when we put that in. Alright, so we just put in the GPU. That's the GPU right there. And then so now we're on to the power supply, and I will let you know when they're done with the power supply. Alright guys, so we just got the power supply in. So in a minute we're gonna put it onto my desk and boot it, and I'm not sure you can see him, but that dog is very tired. Alright guys, so we're about to boot the PC for the first time. So Doug, can you turn on the power supply? Alright, and then there should be a button somewhere to turn it on. Oh, right here. 3, 2, 1. Yes! We did it!
Okay.
We did it!
One.
Alright, we did it. Now let's just see if it boots in the BIOS. Turn on the monitor.
Yeah, I can't tell if the monitor.
Alright guys, it booted into BIOS. So everything appears to, I've never seen BIOS, but this all looks right. The parts are all right, so I think we did it. Video. And thank you for watching, and yes, yes, I'm gonna upload this video using the PC, and thank you for all the support on the last videos. And please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. Goodbye.